Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jeff with Jeff's Trail Dust, and this is my 2018 Toyota 4Runner, and we are currently running Fun Run at Hot Springs ORV. This is a Jeep Badge of Honor trail. It is slick. There had been a light rain falling. Temperature was about 80 degrees outside, and made the rocks were just exceptionally slick. This obstacle is far steeper in person than it appears on film. If you like our video, like our content here, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, hit that bell notification, and be alerted when we drop new content. Here we are going to try crawl control in the slow setting for a bit, just to see if we can get the tires to get warmed up a little bit and get a bite. This day in particular, this trail, currently there was very light traffic in the park, so we had nobody waiting behind us. It was just the other guy that was with us in our two-man group here, and so this gave the opportunity to spend actually about 10 minutes on this obstacle, and we tried multiple configurations of Atrac with a combination of rear locker, Atrac with crawl control, and even tried rear locker with multi-terrain select. The rock setting, I believe, is what we ran that in.
To hit that spot with a little bit of wheel speed. It's super slick.
Regardless of setting up more passenger or more driver, the wheel spin starts, and then it walks itself right back into that notch in the middle. And this is the second time that we tried the crawl control, again in the slow setting. This was just a learning experience. Like I said, we got to utilize a lot of the settings, and just to see how it responds and how it behaves under different conditions, different inputs. But regardless of whether or not we started left here or got to the right, it would just we always ended back up in the same spot, and we eventually had to just stop and let it cool off.
It's so close on the front.
So while we sat and contemplated the next plan of attack here, we were kind of talked about possibly winching up the hill, and we thought, well, now we just need more speed, and this was a result of more speed. We were just eventually going to break something.
So close.
Hey, can you run across?
So As you can hear in the background, Mark says, "Why don't you try crawl control again?" So like, why not? But let's maybe crank the speed of it up a little bit. That might be what's needed. Oh, that's a glorious sound. That's the Milestars getting some traction. Crawl control is absolutely phenomenal. Without it, there's no way we get up this obstacle.
I think he dried it out for you.